Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix a weak Wi-Fi signal in your house in 2026. So if your connection is slow or drops in certain rooms, these tips will help you get a stronger, more reliable signal throughout your home. First, place your router in a central, elevated location away from walls and electronic interference. Yeah, the better the placement, the stronger and more consistent your Wi-Fi signal. Next, keep your router away from microwaves, cordless phones, and other electronics. These devices can interfere with the Wi-Fi signal and weaken it in some areas. Make sure your router firmware is up to date. I mean, updated firmware can fix bugs and improve signal strength, so check the admin page for updates. If your router supports dual band, try using the 5 GHz band for faster speed in nearby rooms. Yeah? Or change the Wi-Fi channel to avoid crowded frequencies. For larger houses or dead zones, add a Wi-Fi extender or a mesh network. This boosts coverage and ensures a strong signal in every room. Disconnect unused devices and limit heavy downloads during peak hours. I mean, too many devices can weaken the Wi-Fi signal for everyone. And that's it. Following these steps should give you a stronger Wi-Fi signal throughout your house. Yeah, better coverage, faster speeds, and fewer dropouts. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more tech tips.